Successful investing in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency requires identifying undervalued projects that have a unique value proposition, a thriving community, and huge growth potential. Now, one such opportunity is Arbitrum, a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that could potentially revolutionize the world of decentralized applications. Today, we added our position in Arbitrum at $1.62, trading at 81% below its all-time high, which could potentially generate much more than 435% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. After launching its mainnet last year, Arbitrum has seen success as an Ethereum layer 2 solution. Now, Arbitrum has focused on providing investors with cheap, fast and scalable network, elements that Ethereum are still struggling with. So as a result, developers, they have been flocking to Arbitrum in order to build decentralized applications. And currently, Arbitrum is now ranked the 4th biggest blockchain by total value locked in, at least according to DeFi Llama. Now, just in case you're new to crypto, well then let me start off with the obvious. I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, please. If you already made it to this video on my channel, well then allow me to congratulate you, because you are on the path to become among the top 1%. It is truly with great conviction and hard work that I try to provide you top quality projects, all currently trading at, let's say, 50 to 95% below their past all-time highs. So do me a favor, please hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and join the live streams so that you can become among the 1%. My name is Nico Arachi, and I'm the host of the littlest crypto channel on the interweb, Crypto Never Sleeps. Let's start up with the price, and the live Arbitrum price today is trading at around $1.62, and the current coin market cap ranking is number 34 with a live market cap of almost 2 billion, trading at roughly 80% below its all-time high, which was recorded on March 23rd in 2023 this year. So that's why in the beginning I said I believe that it can generate much more than 435% return on investment. Arbitrum has already demonstrated its scalability and efficiency by briefly surpassing Ethereum, currently is surpassing in daily transactions, and providing a solution to Ethereum's high gas fees and slow throughput, making it more scalable, efficient, and enjoyable for developers to build decentralized applications on. So for those of you who are new to the blockchain and to the world of cryptocurrencies, or even to layer 2 solutions, I thought I wanted to come up with a simple example. What is Arbitrum? Well, think of Ethereum as a busy highway with limited lanes for driving, for traffic. So as the number of users and transactions on the highway increase, the traffic gets congested and slow, right? Leading obviously to higher fees and longer wait times. So a layer 2 scaling solution such as Arbitrum act as an alternative route, providing additional lanes that enable more traffic to move through quickly and easy. So these alternative routes are built above the main roadway, but they do remain connected to the main highway, ensuring the same level of security and trust for all users. Now, I know this was a simplistic example, but sometimes technology can be a little bit abstract, so I hope this example made sense. Off-Chain Labs, which is a New York-based development firm established by 3 former Princeton University researchers, Ed, Stephen, and Harry, they're responsible for creating Arbitrum, a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Now, the team, obviously, they're bringing a wealth of knowledge and experience to the overall ecosystem of blockchains. But the Arbitrum network is a layer 2, as we've said now many times, functionality that is developed seeking to solve, as we spoke about before, the congestion that the Ethereum network has been experiencing by improving how smart contracts are validated. So the platform Arbitrum, right, leverages the security provided by the Ethereum mainnet, but allows smart contracts to run on a separate layer in order to reduce the congestion within the network. Now, many networks have been introduced with the promise of solving Ethereum's issues, including its lacking scalability, high gas fees, and slow transaction speeds. Some of these networks include Polkadot, Cardano, EOS, Solana, but they are all separate blockchains powered by proof of stake protocols. Now, different from these solutions, Arbitrum operates as a separate layer of the network in order to relieve Ethereum mainnet from excessive transactions by facilitating the validation of smart contracts through introduction of optimistic Arbitrum rollups. Now, although other protocols also aim to achieve similar improvements, the Arbitrum network currently stands out for its Ethereum virtual machine, abbreviation, EVM compatibility, meaning that developers don't have to learn a new coding language in order to build new decentralized applications within the Arbitrum mainnet. Arbitrum's native cryptocurrency with the ticker ARB was launched on March 23rd, 2023, when we saw the high, right? With 12.75% of the total token supply distributed among eligible recipients and decentralized autonomous organizations. Now, the ERC20 token is primarily used for paying transaction fees and accessing other services on the Arbitrum network. So by holding ARB tokens, investors also have the power to participate in network governance by voting on various proposals. Now, these proposals, they include important decisions such as allocation of bounties and grants, integration of new features, chain upgrades, and many more things. Also, the use of funds from the DAO treasury, and the total maximum supply of Arbitrum tokens has been set at 10 billion. Now, obviously, at this point in the video, it would be, embarrassing not to mention Arbitrum's proposal, let's say, a little mistake they had. So they had a proposal out for voting, and once I think it got voted against what they anticipated, they had actually already taken that decision. Now, that under normal circumstances probably would, be very negative for a company or protocol or blockchain. But I think that, we're still in the early stages, and I hope Arbitrum have learned from this mistake, because this goes against everything that the blockchain stands for. But nevertheless, it didn't really have an impact on the price, and we can still see that Arbitrum is growing. Finally, let's take a look at some future price predictions and see what the sentiment is like, even after their little protocol mess up. Well, the first future price prediction comes from cryptopredictions.com, and they believe we're going to see a high in 2023 of $1.88 and $2.91 in 2025. Second one comes from digitalcoin.com, and they predict the price will hit $3.16 in 2023 and $5.17 in 2025. Before we end, I wanted to give you my 2 cents on the dollar. And Arbitrum has emerged as a fresh and promising addition to the Ethereum blockchain, offering a revolutionary approach in order to transact on the network. But what I wanted to point out here with the chart behind me, or comparison, is I wanted to look at the biggest blockchains. And as you can see that Ethereum is obviously the biggest, and it has 774 protocols built on top of Ethereum, right? Now, it has total value locked in of almost 60 billion with a market cap of 250 billion. Now, if we want to scroll down and see here, Arbitrum is number 4. Now, it has already 303 protocols. It only has, compared to Ethereum, 2.6 billion total value locked in. However, its market cap is only 2 billion. Now, when we compare that to Ethereum, that might be a little abstract, but try just to go one lower and compare that to Polygon. Polygon has total value locked in of only 1.4 billion. That's 1 billion less than Arbitrum. However, has a market cap of more than 10 billion. So I think, for that matter, let's look at Solana. Solana has only 112 protocols. It has 600 million total value locked in, much less than Arbitrum, but has a market cap of 9.4 billion. So I think you get my point, right? I think the potential is good. I think not only do I believe that the Arbitrum coin is good to hold, but I think we're going to see many sexy looking new protocols, new coins going to launch on Arbitrum. Now that's all I got to say about this. In case it brought you any kind of value, do me a favor, hit like, smash and subscribe and all them goodies. Come join the live stream. Sometimes they're on, sometimes they're not. But one thing I guarantee you, Kitty, she loves you.